Hello, friends, and my dear colleagues. Now, in a lockdown, lots of faculty want to conduct the MCQ test for the students using the Google form, but most of the time they are facing some or the other difficulties like how to create the Google form, how to put the MCQ, how to manage the students, how to make the test which will be time bound. So here I am, Mr. Prashik Dudhe, Assistant Professor, Sihangarh College of Pharmacy, Pune, Vadgaon, will be explaining you about how to conduct the MCQ test using Google Form. After watching the video, the learners will be able to create a Google Form, create a Google Classroom, design a heading or a header for the Google Form, and what are the standard setting to be done before starting or before putting the questions. Now let's go to the Google and create the Google form. So this is my standard Google. All must first log into your Gmail ID. After login to your Gmail ID, there is a box over here adjacent to the Gmail login. Click on that. You see all your Google Drive map. Scroll down and select Google Classroom. First, we'll see how to create the Google Classroom. In short, after entering the Google Classroom, there is a plus sign over here on the right hand side corner. Click on the plus sign and create a class. Accept and continue. Give the name to the class. Medicinal Chemistry final year. Section B Farm or UG. You can specify the subject name. And allot the room and create the Google class. After creating a Google class, you can share the login detail with the individual student. So this is our Google class, Medicinal Chemistry final year. Now if you want your students to join the Google Classroom, you can share your class code. This is your class code. So you can share this class code with your students and ask them to join the Google Classroom. So this is how the Google Classroom you can create. Also, you can put the MCQ test. You don't need to send the individual file or individual test details to the students. Student can get directly all the instruction from the stream option which is available here. You can write in the stream option what you want to the what you inform to the students, that like all the students attend the MCQ test. All the information you can provide to the students and just click on the post button. So you can give the common instruction to all the students which are present in your class, but make sure that all of your students have joined your Google Classroom. I have created some of my Google Classroom for my current subject, so you can check how many students have joined. So you can see here 113 students have joined for my medicinal chemistry class, and for M.Pharm 10 students have joined here. So you can check how many students have joined and continuously inform them regarding joining the Google Classroom. So this is regarding your Google Classroom. Now let's go to the classwork and create a quiz, MCQ quiz. Now how to do that? Before starting the quiz, prepare a Word document like this, and in the Word document create all the options, multiple choice questions, your heading, and what are the option, correct option. Keep everything ready, and then you start with creating a Google quiz for the students. Now this is, I have put the heading in the title bar, diagnostic agent. I want to create a test for the diagnostic agent. Then click on the quiz form. There is a quiz form over here, and you can also give the instruction to the students that all the questions are compulsory. Whatever you want to give the instructions, all in a stipulated time, all the instruction you can give to the students. So that instruction you can put in the instruction bar, and then click on the blank quiz. After clicking on the blank quiz, a Google form will open where you can put your all the multiple choice questions and all the details about the students. So this is the heading I have already created in Word file. So I'm just copy pasting all the. So starting with the number one, give the heading to the Google form so that it will always be easy for you to identify the Google form. What is the name of the quiz? Specify the name. So we have put the name to the Google form. Now we will start with the designing the heading of the Google form. So everyone can see here on the left hand side there is a customize theme option available. So click on the theme option. Under the theme option, there is a header choose image option is there. So click on the choose image option. After selecting the choose image option, either you can select the themes which are available with the Google, you can use that, or you can also create your own heading. I will show you how to create that also. So directly you can upload the existing image which you have already created for the Google Classroom. I have already created some of the headings. I will show you that first, and then I will show you how to create the, see here, this is, I have already created this type of heading for my individual class, and I can keep this type of heading for my specific quizzes. Now I will show you, after uploading the document, you can see the image as a header over here. See here. Now you can go to the view option, how the students will going to see your form. You can see that in your Google view option available on the right hand side corner. So this is how the student will going to see your Google question form, MCQ test form. Now this image I have created in the Corel software, but you can use the PowerPoint as a tool for creating such type of images. So I am deleting this, and I will show you how to create such images so that you can upload. So directly you go and open a PowerPoint presentation. Under the PowerPoint presentation, before starting, you have to do the page setting. That can be available. Go to the design option. Under the design option, page setup option is there. In the page setup option, select the A3 page. Under normal circumstances, 4:3 ratio is selected, but you have to go down and select the A3 size and click OK. After clicking on the OK, You can put your college logos, like I have put my college logo like this, so I can put my college logo, copy paste over there. You can put the name of the college and also your title of the exam, or like TICA you are conducting or PICA you are conducting, that you can assign over here or you can put over here. Only thing you have to remember, whenever you are creating a heading, make sure that all the things lies in the center of the PowerPoint. All should be in this region, because this region only important, because the other region may not be selected while you are putting the heading. So all things should be in this region. After arranging this, go to the save as option and select the TIFF format. Don't save it in the PowerPoint presentation. Go to the TIFF format and save the heading by giving specific name. But before clicking on the save button, make sure that you are clicking on the tools, go to the web option, and under the web option there is a picture option over there. Click on the picture option, select the specific or the maximum size which is available in your computer and click OK. Now this will save a TIFF image which we can utilize for putting as a header in our MCQ test. So select the image which we have just created. We'll go to the upload button, browse the created file and desktop. This is my created file, so I'll select that, and without doing or moving the selection region, just click on the next button which will come. Okay, just click on the done button and the image we have just created along with the logo, along with the title, it will appear on the top head same as that of the previous image. So now you can see this is how we can design or create a specific heading for our MCQ test. So you can also view it from here. This is the specific how the student will going to see it. Your college name, college headings and college logo, you can put the name of the subject, everything you can put. So this is how you can design the heading for your test. So that's it for this video. Now next video I will explain you about the standard setting before writing the MCQ questions. Thank you for watching.